Okay, go one more. Okay, one by one. Oh my God, it's so amazing. Okay, one more. Oh, that's one. No tire. Okay, just one by one. Okay, one more. Oh, the big one. Okay, today we take the truck climb to the top and then it's dropped to the water here. So it's like to wash them also. So let's start. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. One more. Okay. Excavator. Okay, one more. Okay. Okay, take the one more is no tie at the back side. Okay, one more, the last one. Okay, the big one. Okay, take the anything. Okay, put inside. Okay, so now they are in the waters here. Okay, in the waters here. So okay, so now they are in the water. So some of them is so it's not clean. So now we are clean something. So yeah, okay, excavator. The tire is auto. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so I'm seeing. Yeah, so good. Wash them before we take to dry. Okay, we clean something. Yeah. Okay, we can go. Okay. Okay, now we bring the truck to dry on the tractor. Okay. Yes, put here. Okay. Yeah. Okay, we come back. Go to pick up one more. Okay. Go to the second one. Okay, we wash before we take it. Go. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Come on. Okay. Slowly. Okay. So it's so clean and it's look like beautiful truck now. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Go to one more. Yeah. So clean before take it. Go clean. Yeah. So excavator and boy take other. Okay, we can go. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. Okay, we come back. Go to pick up some more. Okay, we go to other one. Yeah. Take. Yeah. Okay, okay, okay. You can go. Okay. Slowly, slowly. Okay. Yeah. So funny today, right? Slowly, slowly. Slowly, slowly. Okay. Put inside here. Okay. Yeah. So beautiful. Okay. Okay, okay. Come back. On we go to pick up the last one. It's so heavy. So big. So big. So big. We take two people. Okay. Can help. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So big is water inside. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Put here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Could you say bye bye to everyone? Sit down. Sit down. Bye bye. Bye bye bye. See you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Okay. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.